Are you ready to power up your analytics with enterprise reporting? Qlik NPrinting enables your organization to create, manage, and share great-looking reports fast, using data and analytics from Qlik Sense and QlikView. Create awesome reports in all popular document formats, combining multiple apps and sources, all with the highest quality. Manage reports from a single platform for analytics and reporting, securely and at scale. Share reports by sending them directly or publishing them, leveraging multiple delivery channels, as well as on-demand reporting and self-service subscription. Maximize the value of your analytics with Qlik NPrinting. For more information, please visit qlik.com/nprinting.